Good morning students. Today part C is IIT Foundation and Olympiad problems. See IIT and NIT. What is IIT? Engineering streams are IIT and NITs. Indian Institutes of Technology, and NIT is National Institute of Technology. And medical stream is NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. For all these entrance examination, you must perfect in mathematics and physics, chemistry. You will have a doubt, sir. In engineering, maths is essential. Good at mathematics is essential. NEET in medical entrance. What is the necessity to do mathematics? See, in medical, in BPC, in entrance examination, you will have physics, chemistry. And physics, if you perfect in mathematics, then only you can do physics problems. In entrance examination, you will have physics. In engineering, anyway, you will have physics and chemistry, maths, physics, chemistry in IIT and NITs, other state board engineering colleges. MPC you have to take. BPC, if you want to go to medical, you have to write NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, and other state medical entrance examinations. For that one, maths is essential because you have to do physics problems and also physical chemistry. In chemistry, you will have problems in physical chemistry. And also, I would like to tell one thing to you. One of my students came to me, sir, I joined medicine first year. I stunned. You were good at mathematics in 10th class. I thought that you joined in IIT or NIT. You became an IITian. I thought like that. No sir, I did 10th class maths perfect. That's why only I could do physics problems in entrance examination. I could do physics problems very easily. I achieved good rank in NEET entrance examination. She told me. That's why I am telling you, mathematics is very important. Maths, physics, chemistry. If you do mathematics, then you can do physics and physical chemistry problems very easily. That's why you should perfect in 10th class maths, physics, chemistry. I think you have understood this one. Now, 21st problem. What is the 21st problem? The sum of zeros is equal to the sum of the squares of zeros of quadratic polynomial, that is f of x is equal to px square plus qx plus r. Then show that 2pr is equal to pq plus q square beta. Let zeros of quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to px square plus qx plus r be alpha and beta. See, what he has given? Sum of zeros equal to sum of the squares of zeros. What are zeros? Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. Sum of zeros equal to sum of the squares of zeros. Sum of the squares of zeros. He has given this one. Given. It is given. Now, what is now? We have to take alpha plus beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Now, what is alpha plus beta? Sum of zeros. Here we will write. See, what is f of x is equal to px square plus qx plus r. Now, we have to find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta minus b by a. What is the formula? Minus b by a means minus x quotient by x square quotient. What is minus? What is b here? If it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, f of x, quadratic polynomial. A is p, b is q, c is r, minus what is b here? Q, by what is a here? P. See, sum of zeros, alpha plus beta, you got minus q by p. This is you keep one. Now next, product of zeros. What is the formula? Product of zeros? C by A, constant by x square coefficient. C by A, alpha beta is equal to C. What is C here? R by what is A? P. Now this is number 2. We have two formulas. See, now you take what is given. Sum of zeros is equal to sum of the squares of zeros. What is alpha plus beta? Minus q by p. What is alpha square plus beta square? This is alpha plus beta. It can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. You expand this one, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta gets cancelled. You will get alpha square plus beta square. That's why alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now implies minus q by p is equal to what is alpha plus beta? Minus q by p whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. What is the product of zeros? R by p. We have to show that 2pr is equal to pq plus q square. Now minus q by p is equal to minus q whole square means q square by p square minus 2r by p. Now see, you take LCM, minus q by p is equal to, I am taking LCM p square, you will have p square here, q square minus p, 1p is there, 2pr. Now we have, now you cancel one of the p's, p and p cancel, you will get p. Now minus q, cross multiplication, minus qp, here I will do minus qp cross multiplication, q square minus 2pr. Now we have to show that 2pr is equal to pq plus q square. See, 2pr, this side, it comes this side, and q square as it is, q square, you bring this one this side, it becomes 2pr, q square as it is, and get this one that side, plus qp means pq. Qp and pq are same. You see, like that, 2pr is equal to pq plus q square, same, q square plus pq or pq plus q square, commutative property, they are equal to each other. Now like that you have to do this problem. I think you have understood this problem. Next we will go to 22nd problem. That is very interesting problem. These all IIT problems, foundation problems are very interesting. And also Olympiad, I want to tell about Olympiad. Olympiad, state Olympiad will be there, and different institutes conduct Olympiad examination. If you take those examinations, Olympiad examination, you will be perfect in mathematics. Now what is 22nd problem? This problem is very interesting. What is 22nd? If the zeros of quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to lx square plus nx plus n are in the ratio p is to q, then show that root of p by q plus q root of q by p plus or minus root of n by l is equal to 0. This is plus or minus. Now what is given? Has given zeros of the polynomial are ratio, they are in the ratio. Let the zeros of quadratic polynomial is given p of x is equal to nx square plus nx plus n, don't confuse, this is n and this is x. B alpha is equal to px and beta is equal to qx. Now First you have to read the problem once. If you don't understand, you read once again. Now, he did not give any clue in this problem. That's why we have to take sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. See, what is alpha here? P of x, px. What is beta? Qx is equal to minus b. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c minus. What is b here? N by what is a here? L. See, you take x common, you will get p plus q is equal to minus n by L. You take x is equal to minus n into minus n by L into p plus q. See, multiply x is equal to minus, if it multiplies here it divides, minus n by L into p plus q. Now you take sum of zeros over. Now what we have? Product of zeros. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is alpha here? Px. What is beta? Qx is equal to c by a. C is n by what is a here? L. See, x square into, it can be written as x square into pq by n by L. We need x square because we have separated x here, and also you take n by L into pq. This is number 2. Now x square, we have x square is equal to n by L into pq. Now you take this x square is equal to n by L into pq you take. Now what is x here? In first, x is minus n by L into p plus q. You substitute the value of x in this one. What is x here? Minus implies minus n by L into p plus q is equal to, this is square it. This is x square is equal to n by L into pq. Now see, it can be written as, implies minus n whole square means n square by L square into p plus q whole square is equal to, we have n by L into p into q. Now cancel L, one L cancel 1 L, cancel 1 n. Now you take p plus q whole square is equal to, see what we have, n into pq by L. Now p plus q whole square is equal to n by L into, you see, L into p plus q whole square, L into p plus q whole square, and n pq like that, p plus q whole square. Now you take p plus q whole square is equal to n by L pq. We take p plus q whole square, p plus q, root of plus or minus root of n by L into pq. We have to prove this one, you see this one. Now it can be written as p plus q by root pq is equal to plus or minus root n by L. Now root p can be written as root p into root p. You see, root p into root p plus q can be written as root q into root q by this one, root p, root q, root p by into root q is equal to plus or minus root n by L. See, root p cancel. Root p by root q, you will get root p by q. You got this one. See, we need root q cancel, plus root q by p is equal to plus or minus. It will plus or minus root n by L is equal to 0. We got root p by q plus root q by p is plus or minus root n by L is equal to 0. You practice this problem 1 or 2 times so that you will understand how to do the problem easily. What is our next problem? 23rd problem. Find the values of a and b if x square plus a minus 1 into x plus b plus 3 is divisible by x minus 2 and the remainder is 12 when the given polynomial is divided by x plus 2. See, first I would like to tell you one thing. I forgot to write m in previous problems. You correct it. Olympiad m is there. Now, what is that problem? We have to find the values of a and b. Here, what is the polynomial given? Given polynomial. What is it? P of x is equal to x square plus a minus 1 into x plus b plus 3. This is given polynomial. Here, it is divisible by x minus 2. It is completely divisible, exactly divisible. Means x minus 2 is the factor. This is factor theorem. When it is divided by x minus 2, what is the remainder? It is completely divisible. Means f of p of 2 is equal to 0. We are getting 0 as remainder. That's why you take p. What is the remainder? When it is divided by x minus 2, what is the remainder? P of 2. That will be 0 anyway, because it is exactly divisible. Completely divisible. P of 2 is equal to, substitute in place of x, substitute 2 square plus a minus 1 into, what is the value of x here? 2 plus b plus 3. Now, what is p of 2? What is p of 2? I have already told you p of 2 is equal to 0 because p of 2 is the remainder. From remainder theorem, it is divided by x minus 2. That is, remainder is p of 2. It is completely divisible, means remainder will be 0. 0 is equal to, what is 2 square? 4 plus 2 into a, 2a minus 2 into 1, 2 plus b plus 3. Next, 0 is equal to, here 2a plus b, 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. We have 2a plus b plus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. You take, this is equation 1. Now, what is the next? The remainder is 12 when the given polynomial is divided by x plus 2. We are getting remainder as 12. 12. It is not division. It is not dividing. This polynomial is not divisible by x plus 2. We are getting remainder as 12. Now, what the polynomial we have? Given polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus a minus 1 into x plus b plus 3. It is not divisible by x plus 2. What is the remainder you are getting? It is dividing. X plus 2 means, what is the remainder? P of minus 2. P of minus 2. The remainder is p of minus 2. Anyway, he has given the remainder is 12. Afterwards, we will substitute. Now, minus 2 whole square plus a minus 1 into, say, minus 2 plus b plus 3. Now, What is the remainder has given? By remainder theorem, remainder is p of minus 2 because it is dividing by x plus 2. Remainder is p of minus 2. That will be 12 has given is equal to minus 2 square means 4 plus minus 2 into a minus 2a minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2 plus b plus 3. What is the next equation we have? 12 is equal to 4 minus 2a plus b minus 2a plus b minus 2a plus b. 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 3 9 plus 9. It can be written as, see, this side you bring this one this side, it becomes 2a minus b minus 9 plus 12 is there is equal to 0. Now what is the equation? 2a minus b minus 9 plus 12 plus 3 is equal to 0. See, 2a minus b minus 9 plus 12 plus 3 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. See, we have equation 1. What is the equation 1 we have? Here 2a plus b plus 5 is equal to 0. Now you take these two equations and solve for the values of a and b. Now plus 5. 2a plus b plus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. We have to solve for these two equations. We will get the values of a and b. We have to add these two. See, plus b minus b cancel. 2a plus 2a 4a. 4a plus 3 plus 5 8 is equal to 0. See, 4a plus 8 is equal to 0. 4a is equal to minus 8 and you will get a is equal to minus 2. We got the value of a minus 2. Substitute the value of a is equal to minus 2 in one of these two equations. I will take 2a plus b plus 5 is equal to 0. Substitute the value of a is equal to minus 2 plus a is equal to minus 2. Substitute plus b plus 5 is equal to 0. See, 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 plus b plus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 5 1. b plus 1 is equal to 0. b is equal to minus 1 you got. b is equal to minus 1. What is the value of a? And a is equal to minus 2. We will check whether our answer is true or false. We will verify. What is the polynomial given? P of x is equal to x squared plus a minus 1 into x plus b plus 3. See, it is exactly divisible by x minus 2. What is the remainder we have? P of 2. We have to show P of 2 is equal to 0 because it is exactly divisible by x minus 2. The remainder must be 0. Whether we are getting 0 as remainder or not, we will check. See, what is the value of 2 square plus a? What is the value of a here? Minus 2. Substitute the value of a minus 2 minus 1 into what is the value of x here? 2 plus what is the value of b here? b is equal to minus 1. b is equal to minus 1 plus 3. See, we must get p of 2 is equal to 0. Remainder is equal to 0 because it is exactly divisible by x minus 2. See, 4 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 3 minus 1 2. See, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Yes, we got P of 2 is equal to 0. We proved. We verified. Proved. Because we definitely, we can say A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to minus 1 are the values of this polynomial. A is equal to minus 2 and B is equal to minus 1. Like this we have to